Is your home a store-bought copy, or a storytelling masterpiece? Sparkles. Most people shop for trends. At Beki Décor, we curate heritage. Today, we're decoding the upcycle revelation, transforming common flea market finds into fabulous, high-end decor. Let's awaken your inner vintage lover and turn old into undeniably luxe. Welcome back to Beki Décor, the sanctuary for organic modernism and tactile artistry. I'm Beki. If you've ever felt a pull toward the charm of the past but didn't know how to make it feel modern and elegant, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are mastering sustainable living through high-artistry DIYs. I'm sharing my senior designer secrets on how to revamp antique scores into pieces that speak to your soul. Whether you're a seasoned thrifter or just starting your sustainable journey, we're here to spice up your space with elegance. Let's get grounded. Designer Secret 1: The Suitcase Sanctuary, Functional Heritage. Our first project is about reclaiming functional heritage. We're transforming a vintage hard-shell suitcase into an architectural ottoman. Step 1. Source a case with character. Clean the exterior, but keep that patina of time. Step 2. Attach 4 mid-century modern tapered legs to the base. Now, for the designer secret, we're using material dialogue. Line the inside with a high-contrast, modern textile. Think heavy linen or a rich velvet. This bridges the gap between old world and modern chic, creating sophisticated warmth. It's an elegant way to store your blankets while adding much-needed vertical volume to your seating area. Designer Secret 2: Silverware Alchemy, Architectural Wall Art. We are turning trash into a breathtaking installation with a little silverware alchemy. Step 1. Take those mismatched vintage spoons or forks and arrange them in a radial, sunburst pattern. Step 2. Use a matte black or deep bronze metallic spray to unify the textures. This is shadow architecture. By painting the collection a single, solid tone, you stop seeing spoons and start seeing a living silhouette. It transforms a $2 bucket of flea market finds into a bespoke gallery piece that tells a powerful story of sustainability and art. Designer Secret 3: The Gilded Frame Mirror, Surface Alchemy. Next, we're revamping a battered antique frame through surface alchemy. Step 1. Use gold leaf or a high pigment wax to highlight those beautiful, ornate carvings. Step 2. Instead of a standard mirror, use an antique mirror spray on a piece of glass to get that aged, smoky look. The designer secret: we use negative space as a tool. By placing this heavy, ornate frame against a minimalist white wall, you create a tactile contrast that screams high-end luxury without breaking the bank. It becomes a window into the past. Designer Secret 4: The Apothecary Revamp, Glassware Stillness. Let's create some glassware stillness. We're transforming common glass bottles into limestone vessels. Step 1. Mix your matte paint with flour and baking soda to create a caked earth texture. Step 2. Apply it generously to your flea market glass finds. This is material alchemy. By removing the visual weight of the glass and adding this stony texture, the bottles become architectural anchors for your shelves. It's the ultimate small space hack for a unique, organic aesthetic that feels grounded. Designer Secret 5: The Nighttime Aura, Atmospheric Final Layer. The final reveal is all about the nighttime aura. Step 1. Use warm-toned LED spotlights to graze the surfaces of your new vintage revamps. My designer secret: the final 10% is always the light. By casting shadows across your vintage DIY projects, you highlight the living history of the materials. When the light hits that texture, your space doesn't just look decorated, it feels evolved. It's the difference between a house and a soulful sanctuary. Before you head out to find your next antique score, I just wanted to say a sincere thank you. Thank you for spending these moments of your day with me here at Beki Décor. I know how much noise there is in the world, and the fact that you chose to spend your time growing and creating with me truly means everything. Your journey toward a more intentional, grounded home is the heartbeat of this channel. Every time you share your progress in the comments, you aren't just supporting a channel, you're building a community of mindful creators. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to join our family by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for being here, for being you, and for making this space so special. I'll see you in the next one. As we look at these final reveals, remember, today wasn't just about fixing up old things. It was about resilience. It was about the beautiful act of taking something that the world, or maybe even you, thought was done, and proving that it still has a soul. Your home is the soil where your life grows. When you pour your heart into these upcycled pieces, you aren't just decorating. You are declaring that beauty is worth the effort, and that the past has a place in your future. You don't need a luxury budget to have a designer life. You just need the vision to see the soul in the scrap. Thank you for letting me be part of your story today. Stay inspired, and stay grounded.